Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ronan Vico. In this video, I'm diving into the question: is it ChatGPT 5 combined with its agent mode capable of take over the RPA developers? In the past week was released the new model of ChatGPT, where it's more efficiently, more fast, and also with the ChatGPT 5, you don't need a lot of models, right? Its own model can find the best way to find the answer for your question and bring the result. So it's more intelligent, more fast, more efficient, like I said. So not just that combined to its own agent mode. I don't know if you already know this mode on the ChatGPT that is capable of connecting to your Outlook email, your Gmail, and also is capable of running on Chrome, a Google Chrome, a browser, where he can try to go to a web page, web scrape the data, or even insert data, click on buttons, type in text boxes, and I will show you how it works. Because of all of these features, the questions remains. This is capable of take over the RPA developers. Let's find out. So let me describe something here. Let's say that I want to access the eBay every week or so, one week or another, or every day and another. And I want to search, query wood tables. And after that, I want to get the 10 cheapest wood tables here. Manually, you go to the website, you write wood tables, you will sort by the price, lower first, and you will see the 10 cheapest wood table, right? I'm just doing an example here for you. You can think in other projects, other ideas in your daily. Instead of developing an RPA or contracting an RPA developer to do a programming or system that does that for you every day or so, you can just ask for GPT to do that for you. What I'm trying to say here is that GPT is prepared to access using the Chrome and website, trying to click on buttons, write on text boxes, and that's what we are going to do here. I will ask for GPT-5, combine it to its on agent mode. I will describe the task that I want. Please access ebay.com. Find me the 10 cheapest wood tables. Bring me back the price, the name, and the link to access it. Just bring me all the data from the first page of the 10 cheapest items. Why I'm writing that? Because I already used the agent mode. When you do not specify exactly what you want, the GPT will try to click on each table, for example, and access the data and see if it's the 10 cheapest. So I don't want to use the GPT to try to see if it's the cheapest. No, I just want to bring exactly the 10 cheapest listed on the website. That's why I'm writing that here. When I send this task, the magic happens. It starts to setting up the desktop. We will open the Google Chrome to us. Take a look here. And after that, he will navigate to the website, to the eBay. It's on Portuguese because I'm from Brazil. That's why it's in Portuguese here. I'll always say that on the videos. I want to know where are you from, where are your country. Please write down below. Take a look here. He just accessed the eBay, write down the wood table like we did before, are sorting the tables. Just click it on the sort button, selected the cheapest, and it's waiting to the page to load. While he tries to save all the data on a variable to send to us, we can also see the activity. Each step that he's doing while the AI thinking, we can see. So he tried to search on the page. After the load, he clicks on the sort order and everything else. So I can watch and also see the activities with prints right here. That's pretty cool, right? On the desktop view, he is analyzing the items and the filters to make sure that he's getting those 10 cheapest like we asked for him. And if I want, I can take over the browser. That's awesome. So let me show you. I can click take over the browser. The browser just open up. I can, for example, try to close all the other tabs actually, come here and see, okay, wood table, okay, the sort order is the right one. And I can also interact with the page. After I do some stuff, I can finish my controlling and give back to the agent the control. Why I'm showing that? Let's say that you need to do a CAPTCHA or you need to insert your email and password. You can say to the AI, go to this web page, wait for me to insert my login and password. And after that, you can take the control back. So the AI will access the login page, will ask you to take control, insert the email, insert the password, and after that, the AI can assume the control and goes on. After I return the control to the AI, he asked if I want to continue the search. And yes, I want to continue. I want to, not me, the AI, to continue his work. Like I said on the beginning, my prompt was not good because what the AI is doing here, he is accessing each one of them and trying to get the link after accessing the product. So it's taking longer, right? I just asked to search for the wood tables, get those 10 first, and bring me back. What he's doing is to search for the wood tables, accessing the item, getting the link. So in the prompt engineering, we can make it better and faster. It was my mistake. He is at the 4th item, so we'll take some minutes here. He will access each one of them from the 1st to the 10th, and after accessing all the 10, I will have the answer. I'm still waiting, but I want to show you. It's in Portuguese, but here saying this is the 4th item, this is the 5th item, this is the 5th item, this is the 6th item. He's just getting the data and analyzing to see if this right price, what is the minimum price, the max price, or considering the taxes and everything else. Here is the 7th item, and again, that was my mistake as a prompt engineer, where I need to be more specifically if I do not want all those tasks to be made, right? Here's it. He just finished it, the query, the search. He's opened the results. Let's see the activity here, preparing how to show that for me. And here's it, guys. After 12 minutes, we got those 10 items of wood tables with eBay link. Let's access one here just to check it out if it's working. Okay, and it is wood table. It's not the same of here because of the country where I am showing this eBay versus the country where the AI is running the Chrome, right? So because of that, the results are different here. But it just did exactly what I asked for. Go to a website, click on buttons, write on text boxes, select on list boxes, on drop down, and after that, I got the result. Let's say that if you need something pretty quickly and you do not want to do it, you can ask for the GPT with its agent mode to do that for you. I want to know your opinion about this topic. Do you think that RPA developers will end in the future or maybe not? I do not think that RPA development will end, because we do need the AI. The AI will help us to develop structured and secure developments. The AI should be a co-pilot, not the pilot, right? So in the future, I think that the AI will be capable of try and try again and again, like we saw right here, writing code, seeing if the code is working. So after that, the developer, the owner of the project, can develop and fix what is needed on the code. So that's my opinion. I think that all the developers in the future will use that vibe coding to move faster on the project, but they always will be the pilot and not the co-pilot. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Please consider to subscribe and also share this channel so we can grow up the channel and bring more content with quality like that for you. Hope I see you in another video, in another class. If you watched this video, please write down below where the country where are you from and the word wood table. Right? Not the word, the phrase wood table, so I will know that you watched it to the end. It's a way of knowing who watched the video to the end. So write down where are you from and also wood table. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider to subscribe.